Rocky needs love, my Rocky needs water, but my Rocky doesn't need a car, and my Rocky doesn't need a ball, for example. Okay, now pets need what? Water, love, food, and pets don't need a car, money. Okay? Now you are going to answer your book, so pay attention please.
Okay, let's continue with the activities. So open your book, page 42, and we're going to answer the activities. Number 1, do you have a pet? So ask your cousins or friends if they have pets. So count how many people have pets and write the number in the box. So next to the picture in the bubble, we have a question. What object can you use again and again? So here you are going to draw an object that you use all the time, okay, or every day. Activity number 2, work with a classmate to write 2 things dogs need. So here you are going to work alone and write 2 things that pets need. For example, love, or water, or food. So write the words. And activity number 3, listen the track and underline yes or no. Here you are going to listen the track that is in your platform and underline yes or no. For example, number 1, Willie needs water. In this case, listen the track and then underline yes or no, and continue with activity from number 1 and number 7. Listen and underline yes or no. Activity number 4, make a list of things pets need and things pets don't need. So pets need love, water, or something like that, and pets don't need a car or money. Okay. Activity number 5, here imagine a make-believe pet or an imaginary pet, and so you are going to give it a name. So draw. First draw a pet and then give it a name.